But I wanted to tell you a story. This story is Carolyn's gift that I'm giving her. I want to pass around a picture of something. My story starts like this. I have an interest in preserving history, and I made a happy connection with Millville High School Alumni Association. And they were in the business of midst of renovating the rooms in the high school wing when I met them, and they showed me what they had done with those rooms. And so I told them that I would like to adopt a room, and I did. And in that room, the theme of my room is legacy and heritage. And in it you will find things like masks, old jewelry, old table and chairs, sewing machines, you know, the old travel sewing machines, things like that. Well, I have a cousin who knew that I was open to collect things for that room. And she had a quilt that I knew she had had for some years. And I admired it. Well, she was purging her collection, her stuff in her house, you know, and she was getting ready to give that quilt to the Goodwill when something told her to ask me if I would like that quilt, like to have it. And I said, yeah, I want to take that, you know,
everything.
privacy. I thought you said this was Cousin Lady's quilt. She said, well, it was Cousin Lady's quilt. And I said, and you don't want to keep it? She said, well, if you want it, you take it. And so I took the quilt and I put it in that room out there as one of my artifacts. And so a couple of years later, my cousin was down visiting me, this same cousin, other cousin is dead. She was down visiting me and a couple of other friends, and so I took them out to see my room, called and got the people to open it up specially for us. And so after we left, she was telling my two friends that she had given me a quilt that was in that room. And I said, yeah. I said, now Rita, tell us the real truth. Why you were giving away Cousin Lady's quilt? She said, well, it wasn't really Cousin Lady's quilt. And I said, what? And she told me the story that I'm going to read, the poem that I'm going to read. She told me a story, and I wrote it up as a poem because I wanted to fill in the missing parts. She didn't know the missing parts. So I wanted to fill them in. And, but right there, I told him, I said, listen, we have to go back out to Millville. I have to get that quilt. That quilt has a story.